How to integrate Docusign in Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add the integration of signing electronically documents into your Monday workspaces. So this process is going to be very easy. We're going to head over Monday.com and then we're going to sign in for an account and then we're going to visit the app market of the account or the platform. Click on App Market from here. I'm going to repeat the process, so if I have been a little bit fast, so you need to keep up. Click on the name of your, as you can see, workspace or your account. On the Explorer, click on App Marketplace, and we're going to type the name of the app that we have chosen. This name or this app is going to be called DocuSign, like that. We're going to click on DocuSign, which is going to be situated here. It is going to have a half bad, half good rating, but it has significantly used by professionals and they have approved it. Now, what we're going to do is going to install the app. It is going to be also very popular within the CRM user or the Monday.com CRM. We're going to install this app. We're going to choose the all workspaces, of course. Click on install and it is going to be okay. So it is going to be to choose the workspace. I'm going to choose the one that I have here. I can go ahead and create a new board or set up the board that I need to put it up. So I have chosen this board. I'm going to click on add the app to the board. It is going to give you a view and also an automation for it. As you can see, when an envelope associated with this email is updated, update status file and last updated. I'm going to use this one. It is going to mean that when you are going to have a document returned or signed already, it is going to set up this or the status of it to, let's say, due or let's say signed. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.